Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I'll teach you how to make the chicken maqluba, and you will like it because it's very tasty, and also because now we are fasting the days of Dhul Hijjah and you can make it in the iftar. Everyone will like it, and I promise you after this video you will make it every day. And this is the easiest way you can see it in the YouTube. Now continue the video to see how we'll make it after the intro break. Now I'm going to tell you the ingredients of how to make the chicken maqluba. Here we have sliced potato, and you can see in the video the length and the size of the potato. And also I will need for green peas, you can use the frozen or the fresh. Here I have eggplant, also sliced eggplant, and cauliflower. Now we will see how we will make the chicken maqluba. Here I will fry the vegetables. I will fry the potato, eggplant, and the cauliflower. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and like for the video. Also, if you have any difficulty in the ingredients while you finish the video and you get any difficulty, you can write it in the comments and I will answer you in the same day. Now I've fried the potato. I will take them out of the oil and I will add in the same oil the eggplant. Then I will remove the eggplant when it gets fried. Then I will add the cauliflower. And when you are going to fry anything in this video or in the ingredients, we will fry it in the same oil. So all the vegetables and any ingredients, you will see it in the end of the video or while the video. We will fry it in the same oil so they will get the same taste and the same smell. And here I will start adding the eggplant in the oil. Also wait me in a video before Eid al-Adha with 2 days on how to make the karakish for the Eid al-Adha's breakfast. So now subscribe to my channel so when I upload the video you will see it. And here I fried the eggplant. I will take them also out of the oil and I will add the cauliflower. Now I will add the cauliflower in the oil to get fried like the potato and the eggplant. And here you can see this the vegetables after I fried them in the oil. I fried the cauliflower, potato, and the eggplant. But the green peas, I will not make anything for it because it's frozen. I don't have to boil it or anything. We will add it in the last of the video while we are making the rice. Here I will add the chicken in water on a tray on high heat. And after I add the chicken, I will leave them to get boiled. Then I will start to remove the rim. Now you can see. I will remove the rim. Then we will see what we will add for the water to complete making the chicken. Here I will show you what I will add to the chicken. Here I have 1 white onion and I cut it into 4 pieces, and 2 bay leaves, 4 small pieces of garlic. Now I will add 1 small spoon of black pepper, and you will see also what we will add with the black pepper. Here I will add 1 big spoon of the Arabian mixed spices. So from the black pepper I will add 1 small spoon, and the mixed Arabian spices I will add 1 big spoon. And I will stir the spices and everything I added with the water and cover it, then I will leave it to get ready on the fire. Now I will show you how I will make the maqluba tray. First I will add some slices of sweet pepper. Then the second layer will be some sliced white onion, and the onion and pepper, if you want to add them you can add them, not must to add them. Now I will add the potato, eggplant and the cauliflower, and the layers you can add them with the shape that you wanted. First I will add the potato, then eggplant and cauliflower. Also wait me in a video before Eid al-Adha with one day I will show you 3 DIYs for the gifts that we are making them for the children. I will show you 3 different gifts to make them for the children. And here I add the cauliflower. Now I will add the green peas, and then we will see how we will make the rice. Here I have the rice. I will add for it the same spices that I added for the chicken, the 1 big spoon of the Arabian mixed spices and 1 small spoon of the black pepper. Also I will add another thing. I will add a pinch of turmeric if I want the rice to be yellow. If you don't want the rice to be yellow, don't add the turmeric, only the black pepper and the Arabian mixed spices. Here I will add the rice and the green peas, and I will add it up of the oven, and I will tell you what you will make for it. Here I have the rice up of the oven on high heat, and now I am adding from the soup that I am making the chicken in it now, and I will add the soup till the soup is up of the rice. Here you can see the soup is up of the rice. I will add also 1 cup of vegetable oil, as you can see, and I will cover it. Then when the rice starts to get boil, I will make the fire low and I will leave it to get like ready for little minutes. Then I will show you the result. And here we will come back for the chicken. After the chicken get ready, I will fry it in the same oil that I fried the vegetable in it, so the chicken will get the same smell and taste of the vegetables. And here you can see I have the chicken, and here the maqluba tray is ready. Now I will flip it in a plate and I will show you. Also you can see the rice is not sticking together and not needed. Now I will flip it in a plate and I will show you the result. And here I flip it in a plate. Now I'll remove the tray, and we have the chicken maqluba. Here I have the maqluba, and now I will start to add the chicken. And here I add the chicken. This is the result. We have the chicken maqluba, and this is the easiest way you can see it in the YouTube, and you can make it in the iftar because we are fasting and everyone will like it in the home. So don't forget to try, subscribe to my channel, like for the video, share, write your comment. Bye, see you in the next video.